Hello my lovelies. In today's episode of Beardchanics Garage we're going to have a look at this inexpensive high performance air filter that's readily available on eBay. Let's check it out. Okay, so we're going to do an unboxing, as apparently that's quite popular on YouTube. Yeah, this is just a generic high flow air filter available on eBay for around 10 to 15 quid. This particular one came from Flexon. Just an eBay shop, so let's have a quick look. So yeah, looks like your generic kind of K&N filter clone, Jubilee clip. So in here, okay, this is to adjust the your aperture size. So it does say that it's a universal fit, so obviously you can put these rings in and make the hole bigger or smaller, depending on how big your air filter air intake is. Sorry. Okay, so that's quite a nice looking little kit. Let's go and fit it. Okay, so we're going to remove the old air box and basically connect it onto here. Obviously that's your mass airflow sensor. You want to make sure that you leave that in place and connected. Otherwise it won't like that very much at all. Right, so the airbox on this car, which should be the same as a Vauxhall Corsa, is held on by this bracket here, and then it slots in just down here. I don't know if you can see it, but right, this bracket's actually broken, so it's only being held on that side there. So there's this one star screw, which is a T30 screw star head, if I remember correctly. Right, so this is the air intake from the front. Let's just pull that off, giggity. Okay, so we just need to undo this and that's it, comes off quite easy. Okay, that was quite painless. That's a screwdriver head, Phillips head. Okay. How much bigger is that? So that's obviously quite a big difference, but obviously that's to allow for it to be a universal one. So I reckon we'll just try this bigger one. There we go. Right then, next one on as well. Okay, how's this now? Oh, I see. Right, so I think it only needs the one, actually. That feels a bit better. Yeah, that's it. There we go. Okay, that's not coming off. He's just flopping around there. I'm not too keen on that. Okay, one thing I did just do is put part of the frame back from the old airbox. It just gives that something to rest on, so it's not flapping around as much. So, right then. Let's go and have a play. Right then, you have to excuse the mess in the car. Fortunately, started up okay, no warning lights. It's always a good sign. Right, let's go for a little drive. Oh, car coming in. Already I can feel a bit of a difference actually. It normally struggles a little bit when you're sort of just crawling around like this. I've actually stalled this car a few times because you need to give it a bit more gas when just pulling away and stuff like that, but I've actually noticed that it was pulling away a lot easier then, so that's good. It's a nice sign. Right. Obviously this isn't a powerful car anyway, so there's not going to be a huge difference. Let's take it out this way. but any increase in power is nice. Do you know what? I reckon it has increased power actually. We'll have to do a new 0 to 60, see if it's made any difference there. But I think it will have. I'll get the oil change done first, new oil and filter put in, and get the brakes done, and then have to give it a new 0 to 60 just to see how much of an improvement there is. But that's definitely, I can definitely feel an improvement. I should have done this ages ago with this car. I actually bought the filter quite a few months back, long before Christmas, but it's one of those things we just never really got round to. I mean, again, it's still not a massively talky car, so it's not going to turn it into a supercar, but definitely those little performance filters do seem to make a difference. It's actually made this even more of a pleasure to drive. Quite pleased with that. And again, for a £10 modification, it's really made a noticeable difference to the power. Off you go, mate. Right. It also sounds slightly better as well. I don't know how much you can actually hear from there, but I like it. So definitely then, again, I don't know, that would have made any difference to Shield's car, which is already a performance car. But for something like this, it's a fairly small engine, it's only a little 1.4. Yeah, if it's not an overly fast car to begin with, then I would definitely recommend trying out those relatively inexpensive high performance filters on eBay. Again, between £10 and £20 most of them are up for, and I'm well chuffed with the difference it's made. Be even better with the turbo, obviously. But no, I'm really chuffed with that. I'd say that was a success. Okay then, so yeah, in conclusion, I'd say that actually works really, really well. Little £10 filter, took me about 6 minutes to fit with faffing around. Yeah, absolute doddle, and yeah, the difference is quite impressive. I'm really, really pleased with it. I actually bought the filter months ago, but we just never got around to fitting it, and I wish I'd done it straight away, because the difference it's made is quite a lot. It's just got a bit more torque at low end, and a little bit more power throughout the rev range. It's a really, really good mod. Thoroughly recommend it. So yeah, like and subscribe if you haven't already. Drop us a comment down below. Let us know if you've had any same sort of filter and had any luck with them. And catch you on the next one. And Jill will be with me on the next one. So bye bye.